Craig from OzSwoosh again, here joined by one of our academy athletes, Taylor. He's going to be demonstrating another very basic layup drill footwork. Once you've developed the footwork for a power layup, Taylor is here to demonstrate how to do a reverse power layup, which is basically the same footwork, but he's finishing on the other side of the rim. It's a jump stop and he's finishing with his left hand. Again, shoulders are parallel to the backboard. So we'll get Taylor to demonstrate starting on the right hand side, doing a reverse power layup. So Taylor's now going to demonstrate for you a reverse power layup on the right hand side. The advantage of this particular power layup is that if a guy's trailing trying to block you, you can use the rim to protect the ball, particularly if they're a big player. Good. The really important thing with learning the footwork for a power layup is that you also have counter move opportunities, which are a little bit more advanced, which we build on. So that's the progression. When we come to a jump stop, we have the ability still to pivot or create space for ourselves even after we've come to the stop. So learning that footwork and that other type of layup is extremely important to build a better foundation and arsenal of offensive weapons.
Thanks for checking out this video. Please take a moment to subscribe and leave a like if you have not already done so. Feel free to comment to share your knowledge or start a conversation. See you next time.